In this video, I'm going to tell you about the 5 top SEO tips for complete beginners in terms of how to get your website listed at the top of the Google page. And what I'm not going to do in this video is I'm not going to talk to you about the usual optimization. I'm not going to talk to you about anything technical like title tags, schema markups, and so on. I'm going to stick to the real basics of what you need to do as a complete beginner, the absolute minimum that you need to do to make sure that your website's got half a chance of getting listed at the top of the Google page. And this is for complete beginners, right? So if you don't know anything about SEO, don't worry, you're in the right place, because this is going to help you to get the foundations of your SEO put right from the outset. Before I do continue, my name is Ajay Dhunna. I'm a Google Ads and Google Digital Marketing expert. If you could help me just by hitting the subscribe button, that will help me to get the more content out, and I can create more videos like this to help more business owners achieve more profitability, get more presence on the Google page so that they get more traffic on their website, and in return they expand their business or they grow their business. So here are 5 of my top SEO tips for complete beginners to get your website listed at the top of the Google page. Number 1, understand and satisfy search intent. Now, what I mean by that is that you need to ensure that your content aligns with the search intent of your audience, whether they're looking for information or making a transaction. Because what Google does, Google will rank your content higher if it meets the user's expectations. What I mean by that, let me give you an example. So if someone is searching for how to bake a cake, provide a very detailed recipe rather than just trying to sell them baking tools or just brushing over how to bake a cake. So go into detail, tell them all the ingredients that they need step by step, and the better you can make it, the better qualified information that you can provide to your users, Google is going to reward you, because Google's going to take a look at the fact that, hey, somebody's typed in how to bake a cake. They ended up on this page. It's giving a lot of information. The user is interacting with the page. It's staying on the page for a considerable amount of time. All of this is giving signals to the Google to say, hey, this must be a quality page because the user is staying on the page for a period of time. So make sure you give detailed information about your topic to satisfy the user intent. Number 2 is utilize long tail keywords. Now, what I mean by that is that you can target more specific keywords which are less competitive to attract qualified leads who are more likely to convert. Now, what I mean by that, what I mean by using long tail keywords is that instead of targeting shoes, right, why not target best running shoes for flat feet, for example. So you can see that shoes has only got 1 word in it, but best running shoes for flat feet has got 5 so words inside it, which means that it's less competitive. But even though it's less competitive, it's going to be a lot more easier for you to rank this long tail keyword than a very highly competitive keyword. And then in time, what you can do is that you can start going for lesser long tail keywords or incorporating more lesser long tail keywords into your strategy whilst retaining the longer tail keywords. So the more generic keywords are going to give you a lot more traffic, but ranking those at the page 1 is going to be a lot more difficult than using best running shoes for flat feet. And one tip I can give you for that is use a keyword planner. Use a keyword research tool such as Google's keyword planner tool, or I'll list some in the description below. And what these tools will do is that not only will they tell you which keywords that you can use within your website, but they'll also show you how often these keywords are searched for within your local area, whether it's your country or your city. It will tell you how many times these keywords are being searched for, or whether they're being searched for at all. And they will give you ideas in terms of the content that you can provide, or the content that you can write about, or even create videos about to get ranked on the Google page, and so on. Point number 3 is create high quality human-centric content. So what I mean by that is produce content that is of value, easy to read, and answers the user's questions. So it's ensuring a positive user experience. So what I mean by that is write in-depth guide on how to improve your website speed, for example, and give actionable tips in terms of how you can do that with very clear instructions. Number 4, and this is really important, make sure that you sign up to Google Search Console. So this is a tool that helps Google to understand your site a lot better and provides valuable insights into your website's performance and any issues that you might have. So for example, by using Google Search Console, you can identify what crawling errors Google might have. So Google might be trying to index your website, but it might have a few errors in it, and Google Search Console will tell you that. And not only that, but it's going to enhance your site's SEO, your health, and so on. It's also going to help Google to better understand what your website is about, not just globally, but what each page is about, because you can do technical things like submitting sitemaps to it, which helps Google to better understand your website. So when people are looking for your content, Google will know that, hey, there's a website here, there's a page here which closely resembles what this user is looking for. The 5th tip I'm going to give you is build high quality backlinks, both internal links and external links. So what you need to do, you need to acquire backlinks from reputable websites to boost your site's authority, and use internal links to improve navigation and page authority. So what I mean by that is that you can post on other people's guest blogs, on reputable blogs which are related to your niche or your industry, and in return you put a link from that website to your website, because what that's doing is that it's telling Google that, hey, if we're getting a lot of relevant high quality links into your website to a specific page, then that page is in effect being endorsed by other websites. So it's really important to reach out to partners, any clients that you might have, or any people that you might know about which have got a website in your particular industry, and ask them for a link to your website. But in return, write them a blog, publish it on their website, and in return you're getting an internal link pointing to your website. Now that's external linking, but have internal links as well. So if you've got pages on your website, cross-promote other pages into your website. So if you've got one page, for example, you might have a blog, and the blog might be doing really well. So why not put a link from that blog to a different one of your blogs or a different page which is relevant? Because again, even internal linking will help to build your authority, and it will help to speed up how quickly your pages get ranked within Google. So guys, in summary, implementing these tips will significantly improve your website's visibility and ranking on Google. So if you want more detailed insights, visit our website. Go to ajdhunna.com. I'll also put some links in the description below, and it will give you a lot more information about how you can get your website listed at the top of the Google page. And this is just a very beginner's video. I will be doing a lot more advanced videos which will go into a lot more detail, but at least by then you would have covered the main points that you need to cover. In another video I'll go into a lot more detail. Guys, if you've got any questions on SEO, put them in the description below. Let me know what your thoughts are or what your questions are. So either myself or a member of my team will get in touch with you. And if you've got your own experience of what you've done to get your website ranked at the top of the Google page, then let me know. It'd be great to hear from you. And at the same time, please guys, do hit the subscribe button, do hit the like button, because it helps this sort of content get out to more people. And if you want to learn more about how to grow your business, watch this video here. It's an absolute gem for if you want to draw more customers into your business, to make your business more profitable and get it ranked on Google, so that when people are looking for your services, they can find you. Goodbye for now.